triple constraint model for 777 Wobble Way in Madripoor. Property address, 777 Wobble Way, Madripoor. Tenants, Cloud Sprocket Innovations, Gigafroth Labs, Pixel Punk Solutions, Quantum Fluff Ventures. Colorful synopsis, at 777 Wobble Way, where Silicon Valley's innovative energy meets the mystique of Madripoor, this address has become a destination for clever, ambitious companies worldwide. Tenants like Gigafroth Labs, pioneers in caffeinated cloud storage, and Pixel Punk Solutions, VR gaming revolutionaries, add to its allure. With a goal to achieve a 9.5% cap rate and a target net operating income, NOI, of $190,000, this space artfully combines a visionary atmosphere with robust profitability, making it ideal for forward-thinking entrepreneurs and savvy investors. Investment goals: maximize property value and reach the target NOI of $190,000 by enhancing appeal for high-quality tenants and promoting retention through strategic upgrades. 1. Scope, quality, strategic upgrades and tenant-friendly features. The modernization plan emphasizes contemporary design and tech-driven improvements, making 777 Wobble Way a space where inventive minds feel inspired and engaged. Key upgrades: in the bustling cyberpunk metropolis of Madripoor, where neon lights dance across skyscrapers and holographic advertisements float between buildings, a visionary real estate project is underway to transform an aging structure into a beacon of futuristic innovation. Project Nighthawk, Madripoor's next general business hub. Cutting-edge smart tech integration. The heart of Project Nighthawk lies in its advanced technological infrastructure. Project Nighthawk, a speakeasy revival in Madripoor. Discrete access control. In the heart of Madripoor, where whispers of the past blend with the allure of secrecy, Project Nighthawk embraces a speakeasy-inspired theme that harkens back to the Prohibition era, yet with a modern twist. Secret Knock Protocol. Tenants will gain entry through a series of cleverly designed secret knocks and coded phrases, reminiscent of the clandestine entrances of the 1920s. This charming nod to history adds an air of mystery and exclusivity. Vintage key fobs. Instead of high-tech biometric systems, tenants will use ornate, vintage-style key fobs that resemble old-fashioned skeleton keys. Each fob is uniquely designed and engraved with intricate patterns, making it a stylish accessory while ensuring secure access. Hidden passageways. The building will feature hidden doors and passageways that can only be revealed through specific gestures or by interacting with discreetly placed artifacts, creating an immersive experience that invites exploration and intrigue. A nod to nostalgia. With these elements, Project Nighthawk captures the essence of a speakeasy, a place where secrecy reigns and every entry feels like stepping into a hidden world. This approach not only enhances security but also enriches the tenant experience, making each visit feel like an exclusive event in a bygone era. AI Concierge, an artificial intelligence system, accessible via holographic interfaces throughout the building, will assist with everything from room bookings to local recommendations. Quantum encrypted networks, ultra-secure communication channels will protect tenants' sensitive data from cyber threats. Adaptive facade modernization. The building's exterior will become a living, breathing part of Madripoor's skyline, chameleon cladding, nanomaterials that change color and opacity based on weather conditions and tenant preferences. Vertical gardens, self-sustaining ecosystems that purify air and harvest rainwater, integrated seamlessly into the building's design. Kinetic energy harvesting. The facade will capture and store energy from wind and vibrations, contributing to the building's power grid. Revolutionary interior enhancements. Inside, the space will redefine the concept of a work environment, modular smart spaces, rooms that reconfigure themselves based on occupancy and purpose, using advanced robotics and holographic projections. Neuroadaptive lighting, illumination that syncs with tenants' circadian rhythms and cognitive states to enhance productivity and well-being. Augmented reality overlays, customizable AR environments that allow tenants to transform their workspace with a blink of an eye. Deliverables, a glimpse into tomorrow. Project Nighthawk aims to provide immersive work environments, spaces that blur the line between physical and digital, fostering unprecedented levels of creativity and collaboration. Iconic architectural presence, a structure that not only stands out in Madripoor's skyline but actively contributes to the city's energy and data ecosystems. Adaptive user experience, an environment that learns and evolves with its tenants, providing a truly personalized and future-proof workspace. By integrating these cutting-edge features, Project Nighthawk will not just meet the demands of Madripoor's tech-savvy business community, it will redefine them, setting a new standard for commercial real estate in the age of digital innovation. Deliverables, tenant-friendly, modernized spaces that promote creativity and growth. Improved curb appeal, supporting a memorable brand and tenant satisfaction. Outcome, updated facilities that attract high-quality, long-term tenants, working toward the NOI target of $190,000 within a 12 to 14-month time frame. 2. Time, schedule, Phased redevelopment timeline. A phased timeline will reduce disruptions, enabling continuous income while the property transformation is underway. Phase timeline. Phase 1, planning and permitting A 3 months. Phase 2, exterior upgrades A 2 months. Phase 3, interior upgrades on a floor-by-floor basis A 6 to 8 months. Phase 4, final inspections and tenant reoccupancy A 1 month. Total estimated timeline, 12 to 14 months. Considerations: phasing reduces disruptions, supporting tenant retention and satisfaction while enhancing property appeal for new prospects. 3. Cost, budget. Strategic investments to achieve target cap rate and NOI-focused investments will ensure quality improvements aligned with the budget of $2,100,000 to $2,200,000, positioning the property to achieve a 9.5% cap rate with a target NOI of $190,000. Budget breakdown: acquisition cost, $1,800,000. Renovation costs, $200,000 to $300,000 for targeted tech, exterior, and interior upgrades. Contingency fund, $100,000 for unexpected costs. Expected financial impact: projected NOI increase to $190,000, positioning the property to achieve the target cap rate of 9.5% and a future valuation goal of approximately $2 million. Considerations: high priority investments will focus on attracting premium tenants, supporting the NOI goal of $190,000 and enhancing property value in Madripoor's dynamic market. Strategic overview: this triple-constraint model ensures 777 Battloid-mode meets investment goals, balancing scope, schedule, and budget to achieve the $190,000 NOI target. Through selective upgrades and strategic phasing, this address will continue to attract world-class innovators and investors, establishing itself as a sought-after location in the heart of Madripoor.